Well, I think Christmas has come a little bit early here. I was doing a job at an old fella's house last week, fixing a light switch and some bits and bobs, and he had it's on a farm obviously, and there was all this gear just laying around in paddocks, just sitting there rotting away. So I asked him the question, do you want to sell any? He went, oh, well, I was going to scrap some, but yeah, could do. So anyway, I rang him up, I took some cash with me, and I got this lot. So what we have is a Fergie rear scoop. Needs a bit of work, but they're rare as rocking horse poo. A Fergie post hole borer. Look at that, with the auger. It has been repaired, but I can just touch it up and make it look like new again. And then this rotovator, I don't know what it's off of, and I don't know if it's too sunny for you to see, but it is old. It is very old, and it is grey, so I can't find any labels on it or any ID marks, but I reckon could be a Fergie one, but I don't know because I've never seen one. But anyway, there's that. There's our post hole borer there. And to cap it all off, it had all these old wheels kicking around, look, on old wooden trolleys and stuff, all big cast steel wheels. So I made him an offer on all those as well. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a complete axle there, heavy as. So that will go underneath Nellie's engine with another set of wheels, probably this big ass set here, and all the other stuff I shall pull it all off the trailer, probably not today but during the week, and then I shall separate it all out, give it a water blast, see how bad it is, and then I can send them away to be sandblasted a bit at a time and start restoring some, which is good. Yeah, to go and show them and what have you. So look at all that gear, and I think it was about $500 all up, so I was happy as. I've also got this old tray over here to do as well. That's a genuine Fergie one. Someone tried to go through a gate, I think it was too narrow, and bented it, but yeah, I've got to do that at some stage as well. But that was a pretty good little haul, I think. Those wheels are rare as, you know, everybody, the Vintage Machinery Club is always after them. A lot of the time they're making their own because they can't find them, and then I found loads. There's still more there, but my trailer wouldn't take any more, and nor my bank account. So that's what we've got. I mean, it's a bloody good little haul. If anyone does recognise that rotovator bit there, wherever it is, I'll get a close-up of it. Just put a comment in there for me somewhere so as I can identify it. And there's the gearbox of it, and the PTO takeoff. But looks like it's been played with a little bit by the farmer. I think the guy's dad was a bit of a tinkerer as well, which was cool. So yeah, bloody marvellous. It's amazing what you can find if you keep your eyes open. So keep your eyes open for that, and as I'm restoring it, I shall stick it on my little channel, won't I?